Watch this video and then complete the assignment in order to be counted as present for today. So today we're going to talk briefly about writing a narrative. A personal narrative tells about a true event in someone's life. This means it's a story written by the person, and it's real. It's their life. Here's an example of someone talking about their life, and it is a personal narrative.
The story of my life. I was born in Burundi, but originally from the Congo, as I said, and my family left to go to Tanzania to escape the war that was happening there. And I was a little girl by then, but I didn't understand the political aspect of everything. But, I just knew that my family had to leave for safety reasons and, just in search for a better life elsewhere.
So I want you to think about how this video was like a story. Let's take a look at some elements of a story. We need characters, we need a setting, and we need events. Characters are the little girl and her family. The setting is Tanzania. That is where they fled to. What were they fleeing from? An event, the war. Personal narrative tells about a series of events that take place in a particular setting. In other words, a place. Something that's happening to a particular person or group of people. It's nonfiction. That means it actually happened. Sometimes these personal narratives are called autobiographies or memoirs. Now, because a personal narrative is told as a story, it's important to think about the people in it, its setting, and its main events before you begin writing. I already went over that briefly. I want you to answer these questions as part of your assignment. Think back on the video if you need to. Go and watch it again. Who is telling the story? Who is the story about? Where does it take place? When did it happen? What are the major events? Once you do that, I want you to think about, if you were a writer, how would you turn this event into a paragraph? I want you to just come up with a nice opening line. Write your best suggestion in the text box below. Remember, all these questions must be completed and turned in before 2:30 in order for you to be counted as present. This assignment will close and it cannot be made up. So please make good choices.